What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Luffy, the zombie pirate king, or the skeleton pirate king, whichever you prefer. It's kind of like a zombie that's really old, or it's a skeleton. So you might hear a cat in the background, just to let you know. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with his eyes, or his hat. Eyes. Start with the eyes. So we got this frowning situation, like a tick line, just going that way. Okay, same on the other side. There. And you got these big black eyes, right? So coming out from, say, here, curving around and into there. We do the same thing on this side. Right, and then he's got like this, just these glowing white eyes inside. So we just do like a circle, and we will color black around these. Okay, and then just black. So like, and these will be sort of glowing. I can do that digitally when I color digital. If you're trying to get a glowing effect like on a page, I would recommend like a little bit of like chalk, just dusted around that, right? Like chalk pastel. Don't know if you've ever used it, but it's kind of the best way. Or like a white paint sort of around it as well. Sort of just like smooth it, blend it around. Gives a glowing effect like that. So he's got that skeleton nose, and it's basically like an upside down love heart, like so, just in the middle, and then you color that black. So we have like wrinkles and like bony lines and all this kind of stuff, textures, you know. And I guess we need to, do we need to give him the scar? No, see, his skin is gone, so he wouldn't have a scar, would he? You could put like a bit of a crack or something here. Maybe, yeah, just instead of a scar. Like a crack on his face, maybe. Doop. Right, and lots of these sort of wrinkles and bony texture lines and stuff. Right, we got some more stuff up here as well. Creepy already. So big smiling one piece mouth, right? So comes all the way across here. Crazy, all the way out to his jaw even. Seems to just like disappear under hair here. Same on this side, I think. And then down around here. Right, so then the teeth, sort of the side of them here and there. And then you just gotta like color in a big shadow here. I think I might, did I go too far with the jaw? Where is that? Stops underneath teeth and jaw. No, I'm okay. It's different both sides, is it? Right, so then center line comes across for those big teeth that they have in one piece, but we're going to give them like a gum line and like some realistic teeth. So in the middle you just do a V and then a line down there, and then these little V's will be his gums, sort of. Okay, and you just do that the whole way across. We have to do some down here as well. So then all these teeth, big flat one-piece teeth. So his chin still has that round sort of face, so the chin's like real close to his mouth. And then his jawbone comes up towards that cheek up here. There, like that. And then so sort of some like wrinkle lines and stuff. Okay, so he's got like loads of hair coming down, that black hair, right, coming out from underneath the straw hat. So his straw hat is just coming across here, and it's like all tattered and, you know, ripped and stuff. We're going for like zombie. And so it's real big going across here. And there's all hair that comes out from here. And it's like his ears as well. So he's got some ears here. Can't see the top of them. You can just see like a little bit of them, like here. So like some ear lines and stuff. That one higher up than that one. That's about the same. Right, and then loads of hair. And it goes behind his neck, which is like here. Real skinny. All these sort of hair spikes going in different directions. And remember, like, hair moves and stuff, so it doesn't have to look the exact same as my hair. So that's the side of the head, and the other side. Like so. And then his fringe sort of comes down the front here. So we've got all these black hair spikes. Down across his face. Like so. And like texture lines if you want underneath, but it'll be mostly black, so you won't see any of those lines. Like so. Okay, so we'll finish the hat. So it like comes around there, the side of it. Right, and then we'll go up this way. There can be like dirt and little blotches of like, say, seaweed and all this kind of stuff. And he's got that rim on his hat, and then this will be like all textured, and we'll go for slightly more realistic. And then the top of the hat just kind of bumps around here. And then more sort of textures. Like that. And like dirt and stuff. So his neck sort of bones, I guess, kind of here, right? Same thing on this side. And they can be like insanely not accurate, right? That's no problem at all. It's because he's zombie. And then like vertebrae that come across here, or like just wrinkly skin even. Because if it's like skin or bone, you know, it's kind of up to you. You could do a mixture. And then his collar, just his red shirt in this one. I'll give him a red shirt anyway. Down here. And then we have like a ripped and torn sort of collar. Lots of these fold lines then. And then the shoulder ripped and torn again here. Like real jaggedy. And his shoulder will just come out here then. Lots of dirt and things. Right, and then we have collarbones usually that go this way, out towards your shoulder, you know, generally. And then like some stuff here, like his chest. And then like lots of these sort of neck, sinewy sort of neck muscles and blobs and stuff all here, and textures all on that then. Like so. And like lots of scratches and dirt and stuff like that. Okay, Zombie Luffy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.